Welcome! In this video, we'll learn how to solve a simple programming exercise using Python. Our task is to calculate the average of a list of numbers. Let's get started. To begin, let's understand what we're trying to achieve. Our goal is to write a function that calculates the average of a list of numbers. We'll call this function calculate_average. It should take a list of numbers as input and return the average of those numbers. Sounds simple, right? Now, let's break down the code step by step. Step 1. We define a function called calculate_average that takes a parameter called numbers. This parameter will hold our list of numbers. The keyword def is used to define functions in Python. Step 2. Inside the function, we create a variable called total and assign it the sum of all the numbers in our list. We achieve this using the built-in sum function. Let's dive deeper into how the sum function works. The sum function is a powerful tool in Python that allows us to calculate the sum of all the elements in a list. It saves us the hassle of writing a loop to manually add up each number. Instead, we can simply pass our list as an argument to the sum function. The sum function works with any iterable object, not just lists. So you can also use it with tuples or other sequences. You can pass an optional second argument to the sum function called start. This allows you to specify a starting value for the sum. By default, the starting value is 0. If the elements in your list are not numbers, the sum function may produce unexpected results or raise an error. So make sure your list contains only numbers when using sum for mathematical calculations. Next, we create a variable called average and calculate it by dividing the total by the length or the count of the elements of the numbers list. This is done using the built-in len function. The average, also known as the mean, is a fundamental concept in mathematics. It represents the central value or typical value of a set of numbers. To calculate the average, we add up all the numbers in the set and divide the sum by the count of numbers. Finally, we use the return keyword to send the calculated average value back to whoever called our function. This allows us to use the average value later in our program. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials. Remember, learning to code can happen passively too, so keep exploring and honing your skills with our short clips explanations.